Why do 70% of foodies agree that shrimp makes everything better? Time to find out with these mouth-watering shrimp salad recipes. First up, we've got a classic shrimp and arugula salad. Start with a fresh bed of arugula or lettuce, add creamy avocado, juicy shrimp, roasted almonds, and a sprinkle of coriander. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice for that perfect tang. Delicious and refreshing. Next, let's talk about lettuce tacos with shrimp ceviche. Picture this. Crisp lettuce leaves filled with zesty shrimp ceviche. Think lemon, onion, avocado, shrimp, and a touch of mayo. It's a handheld fiesta. Moving on, try our shrimp and cherry tomato salad. A bed of lettuce topped with butterfly-cut shrimp and sweet cherry tomatoes. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice on top and you've got a simple yet sensational dish. Finally, for something a little different, enjoy our eggplant and shrimp salad. Chop up some eggplant, mix in lettuce, thin strips of purple and white cabbage, grated carrots, and avocado. Add half a kilo of peeled shrimp, sprinkle with onion powder, salt, and pepper. It's a colorful, crunchy delight. Hungry yet? Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.